Business analysis is a structured approach used within organizations to facilitate change. It involves understanding business needs, analyzing problems or opportunities, and recommending solutions that bring measurable value to stakeholders. This process ensures changes are well-informed and aligned with organizational goals. A business analyst is pivotal in identifying and understanding business needs. Acting as a bridge between stakeholders and technical teams, I ensure solutions effectively address real problems. My role is to clarify requirements and expectations, ensuring all parties are aligned for successful outcomes. As a business analyst, my core responsibilities include gathering and analyzing stakeholder requirements, documenting them clearly, and ensuring solutions align with business objectives. I manage stakeholder expectations and maintain clear communication across teams, ensuring projects stay aligned and progress smoothly. This role is crucial for bridging gaps and driving successful outcomes. Business analysts are indispensable across diverse industries like finance, healthcare, and information technology. Their expertise in problem-solving and process improvement is crucial for data-driven decision-making. Whether in government, insurance, or e-commerce, industries benefit from structured change and strategic guidance provided by business analysts, ensuring alignment with organizational goals. Business analysts and project managers, though collaborative, have distinct roles. As a business analyst, I focus on identifying core business problems and proposing solutions. Meanwhile, project managers handle the planning and execution of projects, ensuring timely and budget-compliant delivery. Both roles are crucial for successful business solutions. Business analysts focus on solving the right problems, while project managers ensure solutions are delivered efficiently. Both roles are crucial for successful business solutions. Understanding their complementary roles allows organizations to leverage their strengths effectively, ensuring both problem identification and solution delivery are aligned with business goals. Business analysis is essential for aligning changes with organizational goals and ensuring stakeholder satisfaction. It bridges business needs and technical solutions, fostering effective communication and collaboration. Embracing business analysis leads to informed decision-making and successful change management, ultimately driving organizational success.